I'm going to make white rice pork chops with Habichuelas De Gandules. Now I'm going to say that I'm going to work with whatever I have because I don't have sofrito. I don't have cilantro. I don't have a whole bunch of stuff. But I'm going to work with what I have here. And I'm probably just going to make some corn and some green beans. My water is boiling. I'm going to show you right now. Let me move this to the side. And I also have my cast iron skillet for my pork chops. Okay, I seasoned them up yesterday. They're already thawed out. These are the way the pork chops looks. I hope you guys could see it. So let's start cooking, and I will fast forward this whole process.
Puerto Rico. Esta bomba yo la dedico a toda mi gente de Puerto Rico, a la familia Fontanet, allá en Cupe Alto y Lo Mejía en Vega Baja. ¡Que gocen! ¡Sí! Bomba, bomba, para siempre. Bomba, bomba está presente, aquí lo canta mi gente. Bomba, bomba, para siempre. Baila, baila y goza, mi bomba puertorriqueña. Bomba, bomba. Bomba, bomba. Bomba, bomba. Bomba, bomba. Bomba, bomba, para siempre.
And that's what I did. I didn't have much, and the beans still came out extremely delicious. I'm kind of in shock, I'm not gonna lie, because you know, for being Puerto Rican, if you don't have no sofrito or anything like that, forget about it. It's like the recipe or the food is incomplete. You understand what I'm saying? I don't know how to explain it, but it's really good. Like, I'm surprised. Very delicious, these beans. So that's done. I'm gonna put the tapa on. The rice is almost done as well. The pork chops. Look at how beautiful this is. I do got a recipe on pork chops. I got a video on a lot of Spanish food. So I'm gonna put the tapa on this. 2 pork chops is being done. Gotta make 2 more. Rice is almost done. And I'm about to open up the cans of veggies, put it in the microwave with some butter and maybe some salt. Nothing crazy or nothing like that. Just wanted these kids to eat something simple but delicious and fulfilling. So yeah, we'll be back. Okay, you guys, I am done. I do got 2 more pork chops on the other side. My granddaughter already ate twice. And yeah, so this is the food for today. I just wanted to put this nice and neat for a nice presentation. I already posted it on Snapchat. Okay, if you want to know my Snapchat and all that other stuff, the link is gonna be in the description box. I mean, I haven't posted on Instagram. Look, I haven't posted on Instagram. Oh my god, I think in like 2 months. I kind of abandoned it. It's hard to like try to post in all your social medias, especially when you're like a YouTuber and you do food. You have to put all of that information out there because other people could see your videos. You understand what I'm saying? And you gotta put a hashtag and all that good stuff. But it's time consuming, so I kind of left it alone. But I'm gonna start doing my thing on Instagram again. So these are the pork chops. I do got a video on that in my main channel, even though I plan to redo it again because now I do it slightly different now, and that video is type old. And my rice, the reason why I have the 2 flags here, I'm Puerto Rican, my husband is Dominican. Okay, so I'm Puerto Rican showing you. Of course you're Puerto Rican. But I'm just saying, you know, gotta represent, you know. And then some Oh my god, what else?
What is it? What is it? Green beans.
Oh, not green beans. I'm sorry. I got fibro fog. They laugh at me when I say that, but it's the truth. Sometimes I forget things. Habichuelas de Gandules.
Habichuelas de Gandules?
Yeah, but I gotta go to gandules.
Oh, yeah, you talking about the bean?
Yes, those are
I thought you were talking about
gandules.
that on the side.
But those are habichuelas de Gandules.
Stop. I'm kidding with that.
Sorry.
Oh my god, you gotta get back on
Okay,
track.
yeah. Dominicans, they call it guandules. We say gandules.
Arroz
you
con
know?
gandules.
Just like we say pegao, like that's the bottom part of the rice. They say con. Like I be knowing your language. Trust me. Don't sleep on me. And then I have the green beans that I showed you earlier. The corn. I did cut up some limes. I love to, spritz some nice lime or lemon, whatever I have on hand, on my meats and my soups and whatever. And some avocado. Okay, that's right, baby. And this is what's dinner today. All right, I just did all of this to take pictures and all that good stuff. Trust me, I'm gonna put it right back in the pot when I finish. Okay, you guys, let's eat, and then I'll see what I have to record next.
Bye. Oh, forget it.
Why? Just say bye. Damn. Well, no, you can't say bye because this is not the ending of the video. Okay, we're gonna eat pork chops.
Scrunch this golden, juicy, tasty Puerto Rican pork chops.
Yeah.